CS Success Stories. Welcome to CS Success Stories. This is a show where we talk to different students of Excel Academy who pass CS exam and will be a great motivation for you. Today we have a very special guest and a very strong boy, that is Bharat KS. Hello Bharat and welcome to Success Stories.
Hi, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So, everyone, Bharat is not able to join us on video because he's very unwell right now, and it won't be appropriate for us to have him on the video. So, first thing, Bharat, congratulations on passing the Module 1 in CS Executive.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Great. So, Bharat, can you please tell us about your journey about passing CS Executive? What are the health issues which you faced, and how did you cope up with it?
Sir, my journey towards CS began in 2019.
Okay.
Yeah, I was doing quite well, but in the month of, say, February 2020, I was diagnosed with liver cirrhosis. It's a type of cancer.
Okay.
And so then started the actual problem.
So first of all, I'm very sorry to hear this. It is really like I'm very moved that because cancer at a young age is not easy. But despite being diagnosed with liver cirrhosis or a type of cancer, what made you not give up the CS executive?
Sir, the only one dream I had is to become a professional. That motivation kept me, that motivated me to go to whatever, and I'm ready to do anything, sir. Just that professional degree is what I need.
Okay.
Uh, and on the other side, say it is my mother's dream. It's my mother's dream, and I had to fulfill at any cost, even at the cost of my life.
No, that is really, I just can't, I don't have any words for what you're saying. The determination is really unbelievable and very inspiring for not just the students, but even for me. So what happened like when you had the diagnosis? I'm sure many people told you that, okay, now you're diagnosed, you just be at home. Why do you want to study and all? But what was your reaction?
Actually, the thing is, many I didn't disclose with anyone, sir, except
Okay.
one or two friends of me. But they
Okay.
are very much supportive for me.
Okay.
Indeed, they helped me with all my treatment process and everything, and they motivated me to study more
Okay.
because thinking about the disease will make the disease increase.
Correct.
So they told me just to avoid it and to do the normal course as if I don't have any problem.
Yes.
And with their motivation, especially I have one friend named Venkat Ramana. He
Okay.
motivated me a lot and made me study somewhat.
Excellent. Really amazing. So, what were some of the challenges with your medical condition, if you'd like to share with all our audience? Because it is not easy to have a serious medical condition. So, what were the things which you used to suffer with?
Initially, sir, I used to have a lot of pain,
Okay.
especially in the right lobe of the body, that is the abdomen, and
Yeah.
I was unable to sit for long hours.
Hmm.
Even now, I am just sleeping and I am talking to you because I am unable to sit.
Okay.
It is the number one foremost challenge because for a student we need to sit for long hours to study,
Yes.
but that is my foremost problem. Second comes with the medications. The medications which they give, they
Hmm.
are of high power, such that we get sleep and we get into depression sometimes. Those medicines of that kind. So coping up with the medication is the second challenge for me. And third one is the financial issue. But as I said, one of my friends named Venkatramana, and even some school teachers and college teachers helped me coping up with financial conditions. These are the three, say, problems which I faced.
Okay, okay. No, really, it is very hard for us to even listen to all the problems which you face. But despite having such a serious medical condition, how did you try and study? Because you have passed the CS Executive Module 1. How did you study? Like, could you study for a couple of hours a day, or what did you do?
Actually, sir, I did plan my day uh, in such a way that I can study at least 6 hours, but not continuously. So what I did is early in the morning from 5 to 6 or 7 a.m. I planned one day, one session.
Okay.
At that time I was very comfortable, and later on, due to medications and due to other course, I just used to take rest. That's all. I didn't
Mm.
focus much. Later on, from 4 to 6 in the evening I planned,
Mm. Yeah.
and in the night, from when all used to sleep, that is around by 11 o'clock, I planned from 11 to 1. The rest of
Okay.
the time I used to sleep, and or I used to read say any spiritual books like Bhagavad Gita or Adi Shankaracharya Kruta, some granthas, I read them. Even
Okay.
they motivated me to keep it.
No, you're really very, very strong, and more than passing executive, I think your just story of battling such a serious illness like liver cirrhosis and keeping up the studies itself is a great inspiration. And you have even passed the exam. So, how did you first get to know about Excel Academy?
Excel Academy, as I said, my journey started in 2019 towards CS.
Yeah,
I just attended one of your webinars, not webinar, it is a seminar actually in
yeah, we had a
Bangalore.
workshop in
Yes,
Bangalore.
yes, that workshop I attended.
Okay,
Through that workshop, I know you, and one of my senior recommended me Excel Academy actually.
okay. So, how was the video classes and how did it help you to clear the exams?
With respect to video classes, just one thing I wanted to say: those are very simple and very lucid. Even for a say below average student can understand them. Yes, sir, they are of course very helpful to me because uh, you know uh, I can't sit for long hours. That is number one problem.
Yeah.
With that, those short videos of 45 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour, say even I could sleep and listen them, and I can get
Okay.
the concept. In that way, Excel Academy videos helped me a lot,
No, this
especially in
is
understanding the concept in a simple manner without using high-end technical law language. It helped me a lot.
no, that's really amazing. That is the power of the video classes, and I had really no idea till you told me that. Of course, when I met you, you were very fine in the workshop at Bangalore, but then later, with all the medical conditions, when I got to know, I was quite shocked. And you have studied along with the medical condition, and our video classes have helped you. That is really very nice to know, and also very humbling experience for us. So now, what gives you the motivation to continue, and how is your present medical condition?
So present medical condition is, yeah, I can say it's not too good, but it is not too bad even. Yeah, I'm coping up, and I have hope that I'll cope up one day for sure,
Yeah, I
for sure,
think that
because
belief and hope is
it
what
is a
really
matter of
gives you the
time.
strength.
It is a matter of time now, sir.
Exactly. So I'm very hopeful, and we all pray for your health. We request all the people who are watching this, please leave your comments below. Please shower your love and please shower your prayers and hopes for Bharat, who still has the determination not only to improve his health and battle the cancer, but also become a professional company secretary very soon. I want you guys to please comment and please show your prayers and love and support for Bharat. So, coming back to your success story, Bharat, how did you feel when you passed the CS Executive Module 1, when you got the results, despite going through all these pains and suffering?
Actually, I didn't even see the results, sir. I was in a hospital taking chemo.
Okay.
One of my friend saw my result, and he told me about my say passing. That's all. And yeah, I felt happy because uh, at the end, the result matters,
Yes.
and the result make us forget all our pain.
No, it's amazing. See, despite battling cancer and not able to sit, taking the online video classes, going and writing the exam somehow with all the difficulties and pain and passing is a true inspiration. I really salute you for your hard work and determination and dedication, which I feel everyone watching this should take a leaf out of that and emulate at least some of the hard work which you have done. I'm sure it will inspire them. Can you tell us the marks which you got? If you don't mind, can you tell the marks which you got?
Sir, it is 220.
Okay, so I think you also got very high marks in company law.
Yes, sir. It is 62.
62. See, look at that. So, in company law, Bharat, with all the challenges which he was facing with his medical condition, has scored 60 plus. So, if Bharat can do it, definitely you people can do it. And the entire support is there for you from Excel Academy. You please don't have to worry. So, Bharat, now what are your plans with respect to studies and how do you keep yourself going?
Sir, right now I have to focus on module 2.
Yeah.
Mm, so after clearing module 2, yeah, it is actually professional. I don't have any future plans, sir. Right now I have only one target, that is to complete module 2.
That is very good. It's better to keep a focus and short time because you have to first concentrate on your health, do the very best to improve the health. And from Excel Academy, we'll be supporting you with the complete scholarship for Module 2. We'll be giving you all the classes and every other support which is required. That is the least which we can do, something small from our side to help you and support you. And really, you are our motivation because despite the challenges, the determination you have, the focus which you have, and you have showed it with the results, it is truly inspiring and very motivating for everyone who's watching this. So, lastly, Bharat, what is your message to students? Because you have come from such a difficult background and you have cleared. And of course, every student has different problems in life, but I'm sure very few will have the kind of challenges which you have faced. So, what is your message for the students who are watching this success story?
I would like to tell only one thing, sir. Just focus on what you want to be. What may come, just don't leave it. Because hurdles are just I read one story when I was in eighth, I think.
Okay.
Uh, in that, the author has explained the difficulties are the God's way of testing us,
Mm-hmm.
and we have to pass through them. So whatever comes on our way, whether it may be hurdles, anything, we have to face it because God is testing us whether we can say uh, we can tolerate this and we can go ahead or not. So
Really.
believe in God, focus on your goal. What may comes, just keep on working. Do not expect the result. That's all.
Excellent, excellent, Bharat. See, I want every student to please take this message from Bharat, who's really come from such a hard situation, which I myself can never imagine. If I were there, I really don't know how I would have reacted. He told he had to take a lot of medication. He's going through chemotherapies for his cancer, and also he'll have pain in the liver, and it is very difficult to sit down. With all this, if somebody can get 60 plus in company law, pass with a very good mark of 220 plus in CS Executive Module 1. I'm sure each one of you can do it. Please pray for Bharat. Please support him. Please give your comments because we need support and love for Bharat, and that is going to make him really recover. And definitely, I am seeing that he's going to be a company secretary with the determination. Nothing else will matter. The health issues, everything he'll be able to overcome. We really wish him the very, very best. So, Bharat, thanks a lot for joining us. You're a true inspiration. Again, I want to salute you for the determination and the hard work which you have. And I want every student and everyone who's watching this to take a leap out of this very, very inspiring success story of Bharat. What Excel Academy gave video classes just small one part. It is less than 5% of the support. Listening to all the stories which he has told, it is really unbelievable how he has achieved it. And this shows that never give up hope. Miracles do happen. Keep working every day. Definitely you'll get the results, just like how Bharat did despite all his hardships. Thanks a lot for joining us. please tune in to Excel Academy. Please subscribe to our channel. Make sure that you share this story with others, because everyone should know stories like Bharat and inspire them to do well in the company secretary exam or any exam for that matter. In fact, for life itself, Bharat's story is a huge inspiration for everybody's life. So please do share this video. And for more such videos, you can subscribe to Excel Academy. Thank you and all the best for you. I will see you in the next success story.